25th question. A part. Write the structure of A, B, C, D and E in the following reaction. Or A part. Write the chemical equation for the reaction involved in Cannizzaro reaction. B part. Draw the structure of the semicarbazone of ethanol. C part. Why pKa of FCH2 COOH is lower than that of ClCH2 COOH. D part. Write the product in the following reaction: CH3CH CH2CN under Dibal-H and water. E part. How can you distinguish between propanol and propanol? Moving to the A part. When C6H6 reacts with CH3COCl and anhydride AlCl3, it forms C6H5COCH3. This product can react with ZnHZ and concentrated HCl to form C6H5CH2CH3. This product also reacts with NaOI to form C6H5COONA and a byproduct CHI3. And moving further, C6H5CH2CH3 reacts with KMNO4 and KOH delta and H3O- to form C6H5COOH. A part of the OR. Write the chemical equation for the reaction involved in Cannizzaro reaction. It's HCHO plus HCHO under concentrated NaOH gives HCOONA plus CH3OH. Moving to the B part, that is, draw the structure of semicarbazone of ethanol. This is the structure of semicarbazone of ethanol: CH3CH NNHCO NH2. Moving to the C part, why pKa of FCH2 COOH is lower than that of ClCH2 COOH. It's because of the stronger I effect of fluorine. Stronger acid means less pKa and strong electron withdrawing power of the fluorine. Moving to the D part, the product in the following reaction under Dibal-H and H2O are CH3 CH CH2 CHO. Moving to E part, how can you distinguish between propanol and propanon? Silver mirror formed on adding ammonical silver nitrate to propanol and not with propanon. Propanol forms silver mirror on the reaction with Tollens reagent, and whereas propanon it is not oxidized by Tollens reagent.